that some person or some policymaker will introduce a change or a policy that will knock us back a decade or so. And exemptions, it's not the only example of where policy is running counter to the overall sentiment towards the Irish language, but it is a very telling issue because it's led to a huge increase in the number of boys and girls securing exemption from studying Irish, and it's not necessarily for their benefit. Maybe in the case of a small percentage of boys and girls, it may not be their number one choice, but for many others, they seem to be finding out later on that, you know, if we had the chance now, we would have decided to actually study Irish. And exemption wasn't the best because it has closed a lot of doors in terms of securing work in the civil service, in education, and also culturally.